Here I have iPad Pro 4th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then enable live by tapping here. Then I'm gonna disable flash. And now just let me take some live photos to show you the way they work. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now let me show you what we have. So as you can see, when I open live photo just in gallery, it looks like normal still picture. But when I hold down my finger on it, it starts moving. Because that's how live photos work. They slightly move, then just stand still, and if you hold your finger on it, they start moving some more. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.